Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 020 underscore Raymond Survey John Jute. Statement. A rectangular building lot has a width of 75.0 feet and a length of 125 feet. Determine the area of this lot in square meters. Dear students, problem is quite simple, quite easy. We know that area is equal to length into width. Both things are given. When we will multiply them, we will get area. The only difference is that quantities given are in feet, while we are required to give answer in meters. So it is just a practice of conversion factors session. Okay, this is our 20th module. In almost all 20 modules we have dealt with conversion factors. Okay, so now we move on to next slide. Solution. We will make use of the following conversion factors. 1 meter is equal to 3.281 feet. Second conversion factor, 1 foot is equal to 0.304785 meter. Third conversion factor, 1 foot square is equal to 0.0929 meter square. Dear students, keeping in view these three conversion factors, we can say that even if we do not have second and third conversion factor, we can derive second and third conversion factor from the first conversion factor. Okay, when we are given first conversion factor, that is 1 meter is equal to 3.281 feet, then 1 feet will be equal to 1 divided by 3.281 feet, which will be equal to 0.304785 meter. So dear students, we have derived second conversion factor from the value given in first conversion factor. Now, if we square both sides of second conversion factor, we get the third conversion factor, that is 1 foot square is equal to 0.0929 meter square. Okay, because 0.30 when squared will become 0.09. Okay, so no doubt, in the tables of conversion factors, which are usually included in appendix given at the end of almost all textbooks, okay, in the table of conversion factors, all these three conversion factors are given, but as you have seen here that we need only first conversion factor, we can derive second and third conversion factor ourselves. Okay, now we move to next part of the slide, which has been typed in math type software. Dear students, you can see there is a clear difference between the typing style of the above part and lower part. The above part has been typed in simple word format, okay, while the below part, lower part has been typed in math type software. Math type software has its own mechanism, its own religion, its own rules and regulations. Okay, in math type software, when we type keeping the style just math, then we cannot place space anywhere so long as we keep the style math. However, when we change the style from math to text, then we can insert space. But it takes a lot of time if we again and again change style from math to text and text to math. Okay, so I have typed the below portion completely in math type style. Okay, math in math type software there are various options, in which one option is whether we have to opt text and whether we have to opt math. Math related work can never be done in text related type style. Okay, so dear students, you are seeing that there is no space between 1 and meter, because the whole portion has been typed in math style. If after writing 1 we convert this math type style from math to text, then we can insert space and there will be a space between 1 and meter, but it will definitely take a long time. Again and again we will have to change style from math to text and then text to math. So we are at liberty to keep only one style. Okay, so I have typed the whole lower portion in math type. That is why some at some places where there should be space, the space is not available. So apparently it appears as if perhaps some mistake has occurred while typing. While it is not mistake, it is the requirement of this software that if we want to avoid wastage of time and we want to complete our typing work within a normal time length, then we can ignore such irregularities. Okay, so 1 meter is equal to 3.281 feet. This implies that 1 foot is equal to 1 over 3.281 meter. This is alternatively equal to 0.304785 meter. This implies that 75.0 feet is equal to 0.304785 into 75.0 meter. Okay, because when 1 foot is equal to 0.304785 meter, then 75.0 feet will be that figure multiplied by this figure. Okay, so this implies that 75.0 feet will be equal to 0.304785 into 10 raised into 75.0 meter, which is alternatively equal to 22.858875 meter. Similarly, 125 feet is equal to 0.304785 into 125 meter, which is alternatively equal to 38.098 meter. Okay, so dear students, here we have converted both figures, that is length and width given in feet in the statement, into meters as required by the answer of this statement. Now we move on to next slide. Now we know that area is equal to width into length is equal to 22.858875 meter into 38.098 meter, which is alternatively equal to 870.877 meter square. We can write 870.877 as 871 meter square. I shall say nothing on this point. We have done a lot on this point in our previous modules. Okay, hence answer is area is equal to 871 meter square. Another approach means we are solving this problem in a slightly different mode as under. Dear students, length and width both are given in feet. So when we multiply them, we get the area. But we get the area in feet while we are required to provide area in meter square. So 75.0 feet into 125 feet is equal to 9,375 feet square. We know that as per table of conversions, 1 feet square is equal to 0.0929 meter square. Okay, this fact is given in table of conversion factors at the in the appendix usually given at the end of textbooks. On the other hand, this conversion we have also derived in the starting part of this module. Okay, so our required thing can be taken from either of these two options. Hence 9375 feet square is equal to 0.0929 into 9375 meter square, which is alternatively equal to 870.9375 meter square, which is alternatively equal to 875 meter square. And as I previously said, I will say nothing on this point that 870.9375 meter square can be written equal to 871 meter square. Now we move on to additional note. Dear students, area of a rectangle is formula for area of a rectangle is area is equal to width into height. Dear students, this table includes formula for the calculation of area of various geometrical shapes. Okay. In this module, in this problem, we are concerned only with the area of a rectangle, but in some other problem, we may have to deal with the area of a triangle, area of a square, area of a sphere, area of a parallelogram, area of a circle, area of a circular sector, area of ellipse, area of cylinder, etc. So, dear students, we should give much importance to this table, because no doubt in the current problem we are only concerned with the area of rectangle, but formula for calculation of area of various geometrical shapes should be known to us. Okay, so we move forward. Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into vertical height. Area of a square is equal to a square, where a is the length of a side. Area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, where r is the radius. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into vertical height. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square, where circumference is equal to 2 pi r and r is equal to radius. Dear students, you can say that area is equal to pi r square. Here pi is written in a slightly different style, while circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Here pi is written in a slightly different style. It does not matter. It does not make any difference. Okay. Dear students, pi denotion or symbol for pi are more than one. Okay, there are several symbols for denoting pi, but these symbols are almost similar. Okay. At the end of this module, we will show you a slide in which various symbols will be given, okay, in order to remove this confusion that at some places pi is written in some different style, and at some other place pi is written in some different style. Okay. Now, area of a circular sector is equal to half into r square into theta, where r is equal to radius and theta is equal to angle in radian. Ellipse, area of ellipse is equal to pi into semi major axis into semi minor axis. Dear students, here you can see that pi is in an other style. This is third style. Okay. First style of pi is when area of circle is calculated. Second style of pi is when circumference is explained. And third style of pi is when ellipse is explained. Okay, area of ellipse is equal to pi into semi major axis into semi minor axis. Cylinder. Dear students, in case of cylinder there are two formula. Okay, first is 2 pi r into r plus h, where r is radius and h is height. This is the formula for total surface area of a cylinder. Second formula is 2 pi r h, where r is radius and h is height. This is the formula for the area of lateral surface area of cylinder. Okay. While calculating the area of cylinder, we have two different formulas. One for lateral case and the other for total surface area. Now we move to next. Area. 1 centimeter square is equal to 0.155 inch square. 1 meter square is equal to 10 raised to the power 4. That is 10,000 centimeter square, which is alternatively equal to 10.76 feet square. Now 1 inch square is equal to 6.452 centimeter square. 1 foot square is equal to 144 inch square, which is alternatively equal to 0.0929 meter square. Now we move on to next slide, where the table of various Greek alphabet is given. Dear students, this table has 3 columns. It could be expressed in terms of one column, but in this case its length had increased to an abnormal level. Okay, so it is quite appropriate to convert these three to make 3 columns instead of 1 column. Okay, name, capital case, lower case. Okay, alpha, beta, gamma. Dear students, for alpha, beta, gamma, usually lower case is mostly lower case is used, and sometimes capital case is also used. Delta, both types are equally used, while epsilon and zeta, smaller lower case is mostly used. Eta, theta, lower case is mostly used. Now we come towards the third column, row. Dear students, rho, its capital case is simply P, while lower case is rho this type. This lower case is mostly used. Okay, larger case capital, which is simply P, is less used, very less used in comparison with its lower case rho. Similarly, sigma is mostly used in capital form. Okay, ta is used in lower case mostly, and similarly is the case. Some are more used in lower case form, and some are used mostly in capital case form. And this is the end of our module. Okay, Allah.